Crack 3 eggs into a large mixing bowl. And if you're wondering what Superman has to do with all this, just stick around till the end. I promise it'll all make sense. Add a bit of vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon is enough. It should enhance the flavor, not overpower it. Lightly beat the eggs until smooth. Then add sugar and keep whisking until the mixture becomes fluffy and pale. Once it lightens in color and grows in volume, you're good to go. The longer you whisk, the fluffier the cake will be. But don't overdo it. Balance is key. Pour in some vegetable oil. Sunflower, canola, or any neutral-tasting oil will work. Next, add milk at room temperature. If it's cold, let it sit out for a bit. Cold milk can make the batter too heavy. Sift in the flour and baking powder right into the bowl. This adds air to the mixture and helps get rid of lumps. Add a pinch of salt. It brings out the sweetness and balances the flavor. Even in desserts, a little salt is like the perfect soundtrack in a movie. Without it, the scene falls flat. Gently mix everything together with a spatula until smooth. Don't overmix. We want to keep that batter nice and airy. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees or 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure to do this early so it's ready when your batter is. Pour the batter into molds, filling them about 2/3 full. If you go higher, the batter might overflow, and we want clean, tidy cupcakes. Press a strawberry into the center of each one. Fresh is best. If you're using frozen berries, thaw and pat them dry first. Bake for 40 to 45 minutes. Don't open the oven in the first 30 minutes. Sudden changes in temperature can mess up the texture. Check with a toothpick. If it comes out clean, they're done. By the way, have you seen the new Superman movie yet? Drop a comment and let me know what you think about the new version and the vibe. And yes, I will explain what this dessert has to do with Superman. Almost there. Let the cupcakes cool completely at room temperature. Top them with a mint leaf and add a few berries on the side. Simple, pretty, and perfect for summer. And now, a little story. What does Superman have to do with all this? In the For Tomorrow storyline, 2004-2005, Superman remembers how Martha used to bake him strawberry cupcakes when he was a kid. It's a small scene, but it holds so much. The taste of childhood, care, home. Even superheroes need to come back to their mom's kitchen sometimes. If you liked the recipe, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what dessert reminds you of your childhood. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. There are many more simple, heartfelt, and delicious desserts to come. See you next time.